Hello everyone, I'm Chef Josh. Today I'm going to prepare for you street tacos, steak tacos, kind of like similar to carne asada. We have some nice beef chuck strips over here that we're going to marinate it in cumin, salt, coriander, a little bit of tomato paste. Okay, first we're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan, in a preheated pan. We're going to add the steak to it. Now you want to do a light and medium heat temperature. What you're trying to do is you're trying to caramelize the meat to seal in those juices and also brown the meat just a little bit. Turn this up a little bit. You don't want to play with it too much. You just want to let it caramelize a little bit so that the heat can actually seal in the juices of the steak. Now I have pre-drained the meat because of the fact I don't want to spoil or steam the meat in the pan. I want to be able to get that nice caramelization with less liquid in the pan. Now what we want to do is we want to add the onion, the red onion, red bell peppers, and green bell peppers. Now, I put it in halfway because I want the peppers to cook at the same time of the rest of the beef. I don't want the peppers to be overcooked or the beef to be overcooked or undercooked as well. Turn it up a little bit more. All right. We're going to season it with a little picante salsa that I pre-made ahead of Scallions. We're going to deglaze it with a little bit of lemon juice. Now, the beef that we're using, when you look at a cow, it's coming from the shoulder blade of the cow, beef chuck. And basically what we did, we cut it into 1-inch strips, about maybe a 1/4 inch thick. We don't want the taco to be too thick. We want it to be pliable, that when you bite into it, that it's tender and that it's juicy. We're going to re-season this with a little bit of cumin, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, as that is cooking right here, we're going to toast a little bit of flour tortillas and olive oil. We're going to set up for our presentation. It's looking really good. We're going to season this up with a little bit of scallions in there. We're going to add a little bit of Pico De Gallo to the mix for a little dab. We're also going to use this to top it off as a garnish. And we're also going to have some cilantro sprigs to the mix to give that earthiness. Oh, that looks really good. That looks really good right there. So basically, as you see, we have the juices in here. We're not going to use the juices for the taco itself, but we're just going to use it just as to keep the meat from being dried out or not containing any moisture. Now with this, I prepared some rice, some yellow rice, because I love rice, and I think it's a perfect accompaniment with tacos. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add a little bit of lettuce to the base of this, just a little bit. Just to soak in those juices so the tortilla won't rip. I hate a taco that when you bite into it, it just tears apart. I like that, have it clean, not messy. So gonna dress this. A little bit of this. Yeah, this is real good. We're gonna put a little Pico De Gallo on there, my favorite. Not spicy, but flavorful. We're gonna top it off with a little bit more scallions. Couple sprigs of cilantro. And my favorite, always cheese. I love cheese. And also, as I told you previously, I love rice too as well, yellow rice. I like to have yellow rice with my meals. Mexican street tacos. Enjoy your day.